Students, so today we will start a new topic, but before starting the topic, I tell you a story. In ancient times, Mr. Leo was counting the stars with his telescope and he was writing the numbers. He wrote the number at that time, that is D C C L X I I. What is that? Is that a number? Yes, it is a number, and this number is in Roman numbers. Now today we will write the Roman numbers and we will learn how to write the Roman numbers. Clear? So in ancient time, people are writing the numbers like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But it's very difficult to write the large number. Then Romans modified it and they gave some values for writing the numbers. For example, I stands for 1 and V is equal to 5 and X is equal to 10. Clear? We have some values. See, I equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10 and L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100 and D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. So students, before writing the Roman numbers, we have to learn these values. When we learn this value, we can easily write the Roman numbers. Okay, so now let's start to write the Roman numbers. But before writing the Roman numbers, we have to learn some rules of Roman numbers. So now first rule is rule of repetition. What is the rule of repetition? Repeating a numeral up to 3 times represent addition of the numbers. Means repeating a numerals up to 3 times. Means, for example, dear, I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. If we repeat any number, any symbol up to 3 times, then we will add it. Okay? 3 times, 2 times, we will add the numbers. For example, if I am writing X means, what is the value of X? 10. What is the value of X? 10. Now we will add it. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So, what is the value of 20 in Romans? X. Same. C plus C. Sorry, we can't write it. We can write like this. C. Okay. So, what is the value of C? 100. And what is the value of C? 100. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. So, first rule is repeating a numeral up to 3 times represent addition of the numbers. Clear? So, this is the rule 1. Now, we have second rule. Rule of addition means writing numerals that decreases from left to right represents addition of the numbers. Means, now students, how can we write the numerals? If we write the larger number on the left side and the smaller number on the right side, then we will add the numbers. For example, suppose I am writing LX. Okay. What is the value of L? 50. And what is the value of X? 10. And L is at left side and X on right side. So, 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Now, next example. XVI. X on left side and VI on right side. Then what is the value of X? 10. And what is the value of VI? 6. Clear? the 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. In rule number 2, writing numerals that decrease from left to right represent addition of the numbers. Means, my dear students, suppose I am writing C X. So, what is the value of C? 100. And what is the value of X? 10. Then, what is this? 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. Then, how can we write 110 in Roman numbers? That is CX. Clear? So, this is the rule of addition. Rule of addition means we have to write the numbers from left to right. On left side, the number should be large, and on right side, the number should be small. Then we will add both the numbers. Now next is rule of subtraction. In rule of subtraction, writing a smaller numeral to the left of a larger numbers represent subtraction. Means, in this rules, what will we do? We will write the smaller number on left side and larger number on right side. Like this, I and V. I represent 1 and V represent 5. Then 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. When we write the smaller number on the left side and the larger number on right side, then we will subtract the number. This is the rule of subtraction. I have one more example. XL. What is the value of X? 10. And what is the value of L? 50. The value of X is 10 and the value of L is 50. So, X is at left side and L is on right side. Now, we will subtract the numbers. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Okay, students. So, what is the rule of subtraction? In which we have to write the smaller number on the left side and the larger number on the right side. I have one more example. See. X, C. The value of X is 10 and the value of C is 100. X is on left side and C is on right side. So, X is 10 and C is 100. So, now we have to subtract. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Clear? So, this is the rule of subtraction. Now, we have two more rules. The rule number 4 is symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. Means we can repeat these symbols at maximum 3 times. Okay, not more, 3 times. So example, I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. C is equal to 300. So we can also write one more example. So we can repeat these symbols at maximum 3. So suppose M. So what is the value of M? 1000 plus what is the value of M? 1000 plus what is the value of M? 1000. 1000 means 3000. In Roman numbers, we can write 3000 is equal to M. Okay, so we have the numbers I, X, C and M, and we can repeat these numbers at maximum 3 times but not more than 3. Now we have the last rule, that is symbols V, L and D are never repeated. My dear students, we will not repeat the symbols V, L and D. For example, if I am writing this number VVX, V means 5 and X is 10. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. But this is a wrong way. We will not repeat the symbol VV. Now students, suppose if I am writing 100. And 100 is 50 plus 50. Then LL. But it's not a correct answer, because what is the value of 100 is, that is C. Okay, next one more. If I'm writing 1000, and 1000 is 500 plus 500, that is D. But this is wrong. What is the value of 1000? That is M. Clear? So now students, now we have to learn about that, how to write Roman numbers 1 to 10. So very first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is I, 2, 1 I, 3 I, 4. But we will not repeat the I 4 times. We can repeat on at maximum 3. So 4 I, V 5 and I 1. So we have write I on left side and V on right side. So this is the rule of subtraction. Then 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now 5 V and 6 V I. 5 is at left side and 1 at right side. This is the rule of addition. Then 5 plus 1, 6. Next, V I 7. V I and 9. Now, again, we will not repeat I 4 times. So, this is X. X is equal to 10. And now, this is the rule of subtraction. So, we will write I on left side. 9 and 10. Clear? Now the students, in the beginning, I asked one question to you. What is the value of this symbol? Mr. Leo was counting the star at that time. Now we will decode this value. What is the value of D? 500 plus what is the value of C? 100 plus what is the value of C? 100 plus what is the value of L? 50. And what is the value of X? 10. And what is the value of I? 1 plus 1. Now we will count. 500, 600, 700. 750, 760, 61, 62. And the value is 762. In Hindu Arabic, this is 762, and in Roman numbers we can write this. Okay students, so these are the some rules of Roman numbers. How can we write it? And you know that these numbers are very familiar to us because we have some clocks. These are some numbers that they represent in the Romans. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, now after that 6, 9 and then 12. They have written 4 symbols in Romans. Clear? Now in our classroom also represent by the Roman number, because you are in 7th class. Then in outside the class, this there will be written 7. Clear? If you are in class 10, then outside the class the symbol is there X. It means that you are in class 10. Clear? So in the next video we will start to write the counting. Thank you.